The second round of formal negotiations on the Timor-Leste Indonesian maritime boundary held in Yogyakarta from December 8th to 10th, 2025, ended with positive satisfaction from both delegations. The teams from Timor-Leste and Indonesia successfully exchanged ideas and showed strong commitment to advance the process. Prime Minister Karalashana Guzmão noted that both sides demonstrated a genuine willingness to resolve the maritime border issue during the second round.
Estava à espera que até ia abril e decibele derrum butruma nabe narsaliu. Na wat belende que até hol belende kunte di tebes, nessa mos team tomak, mas satisfeitos também ita harekata ita bel kuliba malu bel simo ideias bemalu idanemaka princípio de aquida e as negociações difíceis quando vai a fronteira marítima.
The first round took place in Dili in August 2025, and both parties have agreed to continue the next formal negotiation round in April 2026.
E allora un ruolo balone, lau dia, lau abertura tebes, cursi parte indonésia nanian, senhor embaixador Amrit, maka lidera, nebe, e de sindicato e a abertura e a cooperação e a vontade de Rússia e Indonésia, o governo atualmente resolve na fronteira marítima.
The meeting concluded with the signing of the negotiation record. Timor-Leste was represented by Elizabeth Expostu, Executive Director of the Land and Maritime Boundary Office, and Indonesia by Ambassador L. Amri Jinangkung, Director General for Legal and International Treaties. The ceremony ended with Timor-Leste presenting Thais Timor coffee and a book to the Indonesian delegation, followed by group photos.
Acompanhe notícia atual no Credível. Catalunha like, subscribe, no share, website www.tatoli.tl, página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.